With just proper training, kayang-kaya mo sa sales, okay? So, pag na-engage ka sa sales, 1 million a year as other source of income or additional income, kayang-kaya mo. So, kaya mo magkaroon ng millions even hindi ka pa retired. Believers, at age 40, you have to change your plan. Yes, sa lahat ng mga edad 40, kailangan baguhin na natin ang plano natin. Let's go, let's go. Yes. Doc, bakit kailangan kong baguhin ang plano ko ngayong ako'y 40 years old na? Ganito po. Di ba most of our plans, ginawa natin yan nung tayo ay 20 years old. Tama po? So imagine, 2 dekada na ang nakakaraan. At yung 2 dekada ng nakakaraan na yan, napakadami ng changes sa mundo. The world is different now. Kaya dapat baguhin na natin ang plano natin. Iba yung technology noon, iba ngayon. Iba na po yung uso noon, iba yung uso ngayon. Iba po yung takbo ng market noon, iba po ang takbo ng market ngayon. Iba po ang needs natin noon at iba po ang needs natin ngayon. Malaki po ang pagkakaiba 20 years ago. Kaya kailangan palitan na natin ang plano natin. Okay? Alright? Sama-sama tayo. Kahit si Rockstar po, nag-change din po ako ng plan. Okay? So, anong gagawin natin, Doc? Una-una, for example, if you plan to retire at age 60, baguhin mo na yan. Because you can retire earlier. Alam nyo noon, akala ko, hihinto ako sa pagiging principal o sa pagtuturo at age 60. Pero I stop at age 43. Okay? So, pwede kang mag-retire earlier. First, if you can add other source of income. Kung kaya mong mag-add ng other source of income, madali kang makakaipon and mag-retire earlier. Okay? Second, if you can start building your business on the side while you are employed nang meron kang ginagawa na something that is building your wealth, building your business, pwede natin gawin. Kung magtagumpay yan, umunlad yan, you can retire earlier. Okay? So, if gusto natin magkaroon ng millions after retirement pa, do you know that pwede ka ngayon mag-earn o magkaroon ng million earlier before your retirement? Yes, so ang kailangan lang natin side hustle. And you know, the best side hustle na pwede natin gawin is sales. Magpunta tayo sa sales. At 40, napakadaling magbenta at age 40. Ang dami na nating experience in talking to people, experience in engaging with different types of people. Kaya kaya natin to. With just proper training, kayang-kaya mo sa sales. Okay? So, pag na-engage ka sa sales, 1 million a year as other source of income or additional income, kayang-kaya mo. So, kaya mo magkaroon ng millions even hindi ka pa retired. Okay? And number 3, you can set up your basic needs kahit wala ka pa sa retirement. Dati plano natin, saka ka na lang mag-healthcare, saka ka na lang magkaroon ng emergency fund, pagka tapos na ang lahat, tapos na lahat ng bayarin mo. So, pwede na po ngayon. Kahit ikaw ay age 40, kaya mo magkaroon ng healthcare, kaya mo mag-put up ng investment portfolio mo. Kasi napakadami pong investment na DIY. Napakadami pong investment ngayon na affordable. Ang healthcare mo, meron na tayong Kaiser 3-in-1, may healthcare, life protection, and investment. So, pwede ka pong magkaroon ng investment portfolio kahit hindi ka pa retired. Alright? And number 4, you can travel. Di ba ang plano natin makapag-travel after retirement pa? Ngayon po, pwede na po tayo mag-travel kahit hindi pa tayo retired. Yes, alam mo, most of the travels pa natin, pwede nating i-avail na libre. Kagaya po si Rockstar, I'll be going to Hong Kong. Hello, Hong Kong. November 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Nandyan po si Rockstar sa Hong Kong. At alam nyo ba, isa pang good news, it's free. Yan. Free po yan sa company natin sa IMG. So, maraming companies na pwede kang maka-avail ng free travel. Okay? You just have to explore. Okay? So, sa atin pong lahat, edad 40, change your plan because the world is different now. Okay? And of course, we can help you po sa IMG Rockstar Community. Let's go! Let's go! Copy po tayo. Copy po. Thank you for watching. We are inviting you to attend our free webinar on how to save and invest the right way para magkaroon ka na ng investment sa mutual fund and maka-start ka na ng Kaiser mo. Ang Kaiser 3-in-1 po yan. May healthcare, life protection, and investment. PM na sa personal FB ko. Let's go, let's go!